Good morning, futures traders. It is Monday, May 2nd, 2022. The time is 8:48 a.m. I am just getting going here. NQ has been on a rip right out of the gate. Straighten that out. I just started it. Let's see what the ripper can do here. See a pullback. Oh, that sucker's running up. The VIX, the VXN, which is the volatility index for the Nasdaq, where the VIX is for the ES, hit a high at 81, and now it's coming down. It's 39.52. There we go. Let's see if we can get a pullback in about app. That's a deep pullback. The time is 8:49. Wow, that was a deep pullback. Might be a trend change. Kind of looks that way. Right at this level here. Yep, it blew past it. Let's see what the software does. I go for about 1,500 to 2,000 now. I up my goal. Yeah, the VXN is going up again. See if we get a play here.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order canceled.
Let's get a push down, guys. Yes. Keep going, girl. You know you want to get down to here.
Order canceled.
I did that. I took my profit. It's getting close to this region here. I think it's going to squeeze down some more. But it's still early, so usually...
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. That is good enough. There I hit. The time is here, 8:51. I started it at 8:49. Looks like another run down, but I'm not going to be greedy. That's $2,800 for the day, and I only did it for 2 minutes. So, beggars can't be choosers. I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth either. See how it's playing with these levels? Actually, the trend line was where it was support. Blew through this trend line. So, I made my money on NQ. I didn't have to go to oil. See what oil's doing. It looks like it's good range. Came out of the sideways. Boom up. Boom down. Sideways again and took right off. ES, same thing. It usually follows the Nasdaq. Oh yeah, that's a good range. The open. Doop. And down. Follow them trend lines perfectly. Alright, thank you for watching. I will make more videos. and keep you informed about True Trade. This is the Ripper X. Works like a charm.